I've had this about 2 years now, actually. I got it just after I finished college because, I don't know, I've always liked them. They're cool, they're a bit different, and this one was like in a housing estate around the corner for me for a few years, just lined up, and I walked by it quite a lot and thought it was deadly. And then I seen it on Dundale and ran around to your man's house and bought it off him. The heater didn't work, the interior was ripped, the wheels were in a terrible state, so I changed the interior, fitted the front splitter, fixed the heating myself, just pulled all the wiring out and checked everything, and then I put on a new set of wheels that were a bit wider for better grip. Loads of other bits and bobs as well, just painting all the black trim out and a bit of engine work, changed out the water pump and like the whole radiator and hoses and stuff. Did it all myself, just gave it a good freshen up because I couldn't tell you when anything was really done with it, you know. So, you know, I sorted all the main things out at the start, and then it was just about putting on little finishing touches as you go on, you know. So never really finished though, were they? Bought it kind of at the start of the summer and then just worked on it for kind of 2 or 3 months while it was real sunny after work. Just kind of got away with it and tightened it up. So yeah, I'm delighted with it. Like, I painted all the black trim on it as well, just with a rattle can. I still always had that bug though, so that's why I bought, my second classic was an MX-5 and I done that up and sold it on. And then I bought an E34, which I sold to my mate after I fixed it up. And at the minute, I have a second one of these that I'm doing up. And I have a Peugeot 205 at home as well that I'm fixing up. I've always kept this one because it means more to me than the rest of them. It's like my first classic, and I've always wanted an E30 specifically, so I value this one a lot more than the other ones. I suppose I always got the other ones known that I'd probably sell them on. This is my daily as well. Yeah, you can hear everything in the engine. You can hear the diff kind of whirring a little bit, like it's yeah, I don't know. You can kind of hear everything and feel everything. I know it's a bit more basic. Every single road bump and like hear everything, and yeah, it's a lot better. But if it was around Europe, like, I don't know, I'd probably like to drive down into France and Spain and up into Italy or something. I'd probably trust it on the journey, and I don't know about shows, but I'd love to go to the museum, the BMW museum. It's just fantastic, like. But I don't know, I haven't really looked into international shows yet. I don't know, it's not something that I ever even really thought about. Yeah, I was in Blanche and the petrol pump failed, which could happen to any car really. It's not like a major thing. It was just inconvenient, but like, as I said, like, it is 30 years old, things are gonna go, and you can't really foresee that or do anything to prevent that. No, I kind of prefer it. See, the classic insurance is a weird one where you need to have a primary car to have a classic car. For this, it's just my primary car, and I have the other ones on classic policies. So this one's like about 1,000 for the year. It's a little bit higher than, let's say, I was driving like a modern car, but I don't know, for the extra 100 or 200 quid, I'll drive this every day. And 56 for the year on tax, like, that makes up for it surely. I don't know, I'd rather drive this. It was a bit raspier actually before I put a second exhaust onto it. I had to, like, the other one's a bit kind of, a little bit rotten, like, but oh man, it sounded so good. Like, it's not mint, like, but it's 30 years old and it's not rotten and there's no rust. Yeah, I got lucky with the bodywork, and then I just threw the interior into it and all the other bits and bobs to kind of finish it off. I've had this